Welcome to this session as we dive into the FDA's 4 advanced manufacturing initiatives and digital technology strategies. It's really fascinating how they align innovation with regulatory standards.
Yeah, I'm excited. These initiatives really blend cutting-edge technology with regulatory rigor.
Exactly. It's like the FDA is pushing for adoption of innovative manufacturing tech in pharma and biologics, right?
Absolutely.
They have programs like Advanced Manufacturing Technologies, Emerging Technology, Platform Technology Designation, and even the Advanced Technologies Team program.
Right. And each aims to streamline the process from development to commercialization. I'm curious, though, how do these initiatives tackle the gap between innovation and compliance?
Well, they essentially promote, the integration of digital tools that are designed to maintain safety and efficacy, even while speeding up things.
Yeah, so it's not just about faster production, but ensuring the output is quality assured.
Exactly. And here's where XLM's role comes in. They're offering an AI-driven digital factory that aligns perfectly with these FDA initiatives.
Right, the digital factory stack, right? For sure. It's like they've built a comprehensive solution that covers from continuous intelligent validation to autonomous manufacturing with digital twins.
Yeah, it's like transforming traditional systems into dynamic GXP-compliant platforms. For instance, continuous intelligent validation automates GXP validation by using adaptive AI models that react to changes in real time.
Absolutely. And that not only speeds up tech transfer, but makes audits way smoother, right?
Exactly. It's all about scalability and ensuring digital compliance from day one. Now, moving on to predictive analytics. XLM's tools analyze equipment data to foresee failures. It's like having a crystal ball for maintenance.
Yeah, that sort of proactive maintenance is a game changer. That's really interesting. But I'm a bit skeptical. Do you think AI can truly replace the traditional human oversight needed for managing such critical data?
Good question. I mean, these systems aren't about replacing humans, but augmenting our ability to detect anomalies early on.
That makes sense. Sure, but sometimes I wonder if all this reliance on AI might lead to overlooking subtle, nuanced issues that only human experts might catch, right?
I see your point, and it's like, a balance must be struck. The AI-powered risk management and deviation analytics actually turn unstructured data into actionable insights, which I'd argue complements human judgment rather than replaces it.
Yeah, exactly. It's about collaboration between AI and experts. True. Now, another fascinating aspect is their continuous environmental monitoring system, which integrates certified sensors for real-time alerts. How critical do you think that is for maintaining compliance?
Oh, it's crucial. It monitors parameters like temperature, pressure, humidity, and particulates across facilities, ensuring everything's within the required specs.
Yep.
And it provides an extra layer of data integrity for FDA audits.
Absolutely. Real-time monitoring means any deviations can be caught before they escalate.
And then there's the autonomous manufacturing with digital twins. That one is particularly transformative. Utilizing platforms like Aviva's dynamic simulation and NVIDIA's DRL engine, it ushers in deep reinforcement learning into manufacturing rounds.
Right? A virtual double of the physical process that optimizes operations. Fascinating stuff. It's like having a digital rehearsal before the actual performance.
Exactly. And that predictive decision-making can reduce unplanned downtime significantly while boosting process safety and product quality.
Totally. And the broader digital factory stack from XLM, it's an everything-included package, isn't it?
Yes, it provides end-to-end visibility and control. All modular GXP-compliant technology that makes FDA submissions more robust and auditable.
Right, that's like having an operational control center for manufacturing. I can see how that would future-proof FDA submissions, but how accessible is this stack to smaller manufacturers, say startups in the pharma space?
That's an important point. While it's certainly advanced technology, XLM claims it's cloud-native and scalable, so it should be accessible across different scales.
Yeah, cloud-native definitely opens up the possibility for broader adoption.
And then you have the underlying validated AI/ML models, which are transparent and continuously learning. It's all designed for maintaining high compliance standards like FDA, EMA,
Guarding
and
against
even
risks and ensuring
WHO.
quality. That resonates with the overall aim of the FDA programs, to accelerate development while not compromising on safety.
Precisely. These initiatives encourage a data-driven approach where your application needs to be not just innovative, but also technically sound and future-ready.
Yeah, it's essentially about marrying innovation with reliability. I really like the idea of using AI to streamline compliance and reduce CAPEX and OPEX. It lets companies focus more on innovation.
Absolutely, and that, predictive analytics plays an essential role here. By detecting early signs of equipment issues, companies can avoid sudden halts in production, which, let's face it, can be very costly.
A proactive approach outweighs reactive fixes by miles. And speaking of cost savings, the AI-powered risk management seems to also minimize human error in quality reports. That's a big plus in a highly regulated industry.
Indeed, reducing human error is a key advantage of these digital initiatives. The AI transforms unstructured data into real insights, which then support real-time CAPA optimization.
Right, yeah. So, summarizing the essence, this whole suite of initiatives and tools is set up for accelerating tech adoption, ensuring quality, and paving the way for faster market entry.
Yeah, it's all intertwined. The FDA programs drive innovation, and XLM's digital factory aligns with that by offering tools like continuous intelligent validation, predictive maintenance, environmental monitoring, and autonomous manufacturing.
It's a multi-pronged approach. Now, one thing I'd like to respectfully challenge is that sometimes such advanced systems might be seen as over-engineered for straightforward manufacturing needs. What do you think about that?
That's a fair critique. It might seem like a lot means more complexity. However, when scaling production or dealing with stringent quality demands, that complexity actually becomes a strategic advantage.
A bit of upfront complexity to prevent downstream issues. True, I see your point. It's all about investing in robust infrastructure now to reap efficiency and compliance benefits later.
Exactly. It's a forward-thinking investment. And as regulatory bodies like the FDA require more real-time data and digital compliance, having these systems in place is practically essential.
Definitely essential. So, it sounds like, overall, the integration of advanced manufacturing initiatives with digital technology enables companies to not only innovate faster, but also meet regulatory demands seamlessly.
Precisely. The marriage of innovation and regulation here is both a necessity and a real competitive advantage in the industry.
Right on. It's like future-proofing your entire operation. It's been a fascinating discussion, and it's clear the FDA's approach, coupled with XLM's advanced solutions, is truly setting the stage for a new era in manufacturing.
Absolutely. A new era where technology and compliance work hand in hand to drive advancements in public health and industrial efficiency.
Exactly. Kudos to both regulatory evolution and tech innovation.